Good morning, friends. In the last lecture, we have started the next part of the Unit 1 of Analytical Chemistry. In that, we have started the quality, concept of quality, quality control, and quality assurance. Out of this concept of quality, then the quality control and the quality assurance we have seen in detail. Now we have to move towards the next part of this particular unit is nothing but importance of quality concept in industry. Then we have to see the different points under this particular quality concept. First, encourages quality conciseness. It develops and encourages quality conciseness among the workers in the industry, which is helpful in achieving desired level of quality in the product. First importance of this quality concept is nothing but encourages quality conciseness. Means what we have to do, the industry, particularly in the industry, they has to develop and they have to encourage to their staff or say workers to get the good quality product. Then second, satisfaction of the customers, quality control in a vital element in quality control in a vital element in producing high quality products that meets customer expectations. Customer satisfaction can also save money on marketing or advertisement. Customer satisfaction can also save money on marketing or advertisement. It is very much important. Whatever the product we are manufacturing in our particular firm, it should have the good quality. Once it has a good quality, obvious, automatically customer will get satisfied. Customer will satisfied, and you not require that particular firm or say industry will not require the advertisement or marketing. Then the reducing cost by undertaking effective inspection and control over production processes and operations, production cost can be reduced. Quality should be there, then there should be the low cost, then and then only your product will get particular market. Otherwise, if you are not having the quality and you are not having the low cost, at that time you will not get the market. The next, managing a reputation in market. Quality influences compares reputation. Poor quality or of a product can see that particular managing reputation in the market is very much important. Quality influences or compares the reputation. Poor quality or a product failure can create a negative publicity and damage your reputation. Reputation is very much important. Managing reputation in the market, it is very much important. If you are giving the quality product, then you will get the good reputation. Or if you are giving the product with the low quality, then you will get the bad publicity or say negative publicity in the market. Then higher moral of employee. See, the quality concept is helpful in increasing the morale of employees, and they feel that they are working in the industry producing better and higher quality products. Automatically, if any establishment or say any factory or any firm is producing quality product, automatically it is a privilege to that firm or say industry and as well as to that employees who are working there. They will feel happy, their morale will become more and more happy because they will get the satisfaction that we are working in the good industry. Otherwise, if that factory or industry or say firm is not producing the quality product, it will damage the morality or say moral values of that particular employees, because employees will not feel that they will not happy with this particular manufacturing process if the quality product is not there. The effective advertisement. Industries producing quality products have effective advertisement. Industries producing quality products have effective advertisement. They built public confidence by supplying these better quality products. I said, whenever we are launching anything in the market, we have to talk about the quality. Here, if you are watching the TV, you will get an idea. See, for the Harpic, one ad is there. So many cinestar or say idle persons are working for this particular advertisement. Then how is our product is better, that we have to show to the public. That's why the advertisement is very much important, and it should not only the advertise, it should be the effective advertise. Means once the person here or say in the society that particular ad you have published, that ad should have the impact on that particular peoples of the society. That's why the effective advertisement is there. Means we have to reach to the society by showing how the our product is good for use. Because effective advertisement build public confidence by supplying these better quality products, then increase sales. Quality concept is helpful in maintaining existing demand and creating new demand for the product. It is a powerful element with the help of which market markets both at home and abroad can be expanded. Quality concept is helpful is maintaining existing demand and creating new demand for the product. It is a powerful element with the help of which markets both at home and abroad can be expanded. Once you are getting the good sale, your market will be established at home and at abroad also. Now the next part, explain the importance of chemical standards and certified reference material in chemical analysis. Chemical standards are the one whose exact composition is known and can be reproduced at any given number of time. Reference material are the one that are sufficiently homogeneous and stable with respect to one or more specified properties which has been established to be fit for its intended use in a measurement process. Intended use in the measurement process. CRM or certified reference materials are the reference material characterized by metrologically valid procedure for one or more specified properties accompanied by a certificate which provides the value of the specific properties, its associated uncertainty, and a statement of metrological traceability. It is very much important. Means it is a certified reference material is nothing but the reference material characterized by the metrologically valid procedure for one or more specified properties accompanied by a certificate which provides the value of specified properties, its associated uncertainty, and a statement of metrological traceability. Then importance of the RMS and CRMS in chemical analysis, reference materials and certified reference materials. RMs and CRMs are widely used for the calibration of measuring apparatus. They are widely used for evaluation of measurement procedures. They are used for internal or external quality control of measurement and measurements and laboratories. They may enable the expression of functional properties. For instance, in certain cases relevant for biology or material science in arbitrary units. RMS and CRMS plays an increasingly important role in the chemical analysis. These are the use of this particular or the importance of the RMS or CMS. In this part we have seen importance of this particular quality concept in industry. Different terms we have seen: encourages quality, conciseness, satisfaction of customer, reducing cost, managing reputation in the market. Then we have seen the higher moral of the employees, effective advertisement, increase sales. These all particular factors are depend upon the quality concept. Means any industry or say any firm which are producing the product, they should have to maintain the quality concept in their particular organization. If they are producing the quality product, automatically they will get the good sale. Final mark is the sale. Any firm or say industry producing the product which is for the sale only, which is for the public need only, means if they are providing the quality product, then only it will be the useful. Please go through this part well. Very few questions will be there on this part. 1 or 2 questions will be there on this part. Please prepare that part very well. Then we have seen the importance of the chemical standard and certified reference material in chemical analysis. Chemical standard is nothing but the one whose exact composition is known and can be reproduced at any given number of time. At any time you are picking that material, that has the same composition. Reference material are the one that are sufficiently homogeneous and stable with respect to one or more specified properties which has been established to the fit for its internal use in a measurement process. Certified reference material are the reference material characterized by the metrologically valid procedure for one or more specified properties, accompanied by a certificate that provides the value of the specified property, its associated uncertainty, and a statement of metrological traceability. Then we have seen the importance of this particular RMS and CRMS. They are widely used for the calibration of measuring apparatus, widely used for the evaluation of measurement procedures, used for the internal or external quality control of measurement and laboratories. Measurements in laboratories, They may be enable the expression of functional properties, for instance, in a certain cases relevant for biology or material science in arbitrary units. They are playing increasingly important role in the chemical analysis and in the different activities. Thank you. Next part we will see in the next lecture.